Hello friends. Today in this video we are going to discuss about how to get an input from the user and how to print out an output to the user. So we have been using this in all our programs but we did not discuss it properly in the earlier videos. So today we are looking at the syntax of how to get an input from the user and how to print out a result. So as usual, we'll start with the heading hash include iostream using namespace std. So this is the standard header for any C++ program. So we don't have to do anything there. And coming to the variables. So now I have already declared variables here in order to save time. So I am declaring the variables as integer values. So int a comma b comma s. So A stands for the first number, and B is the second number, and S is the sum. Okay. So coming to the body of main function, we have started our main function in the main. There is a parenthesis. Then our input prompt. So we have to tell the user that the user has to enter the numbers. So the syntax is cout. Cout is equivalent to printf in C. So printf instead of printf in C++, we use cout. Cout. Then this symbol or this operator is called the insertion operator. In the programming community, it is called the insertion operator. We write it with the two lesser than symbols. So this is the insertion operator, and inside that in double quotes we have to write the phrase or the prompt. So I have written it here, enter the number. So we need to get two numbers from the user, so enter the numbers. Then we have to end it with a double quote, then a semicolon. Semicolon is also a standard in C++ and in almost all languages except for Python, semicolon is very much required. Okay, so in the next line, we are receiving the input. So the syntax for receiving is cin. Then the extraction operator. This operator is called the extraction operator. So we have the way extraction operator is written is two greater than symbols clubbed together. Insertion operator is two lesser than cout lesser than two lesser than. Then in extraction c in two greater than. A first we have to receive the first number, then again an extraction operator, then b ended with a semicolon. Then the result s will be equal to a plus b. The first and second number we have received from the user, a plus b. Then so this is the expression for doing the mathematical thing. It's a just simple and it's a simple addition program. So there is nothing to explain there. And in the last line we have to print out the result. So again, cout the insertion operator, then in double quotes the string, the sum of, then a space, then again insertion operator, a our variable a, then insertion operator double quotes in between and insertion operator b, insertion operator again double quotes is insertion operator s. So this is how we write a. This is how we get an input from the user and print out an output to the user. So let's run this program. So it is running right now. So enter the numbers. Let's enter 100 and enter. Then the next number. Let's say 89. Okay. So the sum of 100 and 89 is 189. Yes. So I hope you understood how to get an input from the user and give an output to the user. We use cin and extraction operator to get something from the user, and cout and insertion operator to get um, to give something to the user. Okay. Thank you.